Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So, got a couple problems. First of all, as you can see, the Miata is not here, and I told you guys before that it was going into the shop because it was getting repaired, and it isn't done. So the track day is here. I'm actually waiting for my homie Gabe to come through. I decided I'm just gonna take the GC. I mean, the GC is my daily driver, but it's pretty decently built for the track. I got Potenza's RE71s on there, 10.8K spring rates, full race bushing, so it's more than capable of taking on the track. I mean, I just don't want to do it just because like it's a collector's car, so why would I want to do that, right? Anyways, so yeah, this is gonna be the track baby for Buttonwillow. I'm not gonna be pushing it too hard. I'm actually gonna be meeting up with another NC driver that I met on YouTube, and yeah, I'm gonna get a ride along with him hopefully, and it's gonna be fun. So this whole weekend is gonna be really just kind of a chill, you know, get to see cars, take this for like a few sessions, and yeah, it's gonna be dope. I'm not gonna record like, I'm not gonna be like vlogging throughout the whole time. I'm just gonna be kind of like doing more track time for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this started. All right, me and Gabe made it. Dude,
take a good picture.
Yeah.
Bro, my headlights hella bright when I'm behind you.
Yes, they are.
Really?
Yes.
Oh shit.
It's cool though. It's not that bad.
No, this guy was fucking. I guess this guy got hella pissed off. He thought I was hyping him. Bro, this guy fucking crazy motherfucker. He rode my past for 30 miles. I even like went to the side and was like going like 75. And I just wanted to fucking pass.
Jesus
he
Christ.
He rode my ass for like 20 miles, dude. I was like, bro, you need to chill out.
Yeah, your thing is bright, dude. Even when you're way back there, dude,
Really?
I was like, damn, your shit is bright.
Really?
Like, it was, because you're far behind.
I need to point it down probably. It's probably pointed too high up.
Yeah.
Because you know there's like adjusters on the...
Clean. Damn, we made it. We made it, boys. Hey, did you wanna walk around the hotel and check out the cars?
Yeah, yeah. Well, after we check in?
Yeah, I'll check in, drop our shit. I wonder what kind of cars they'll have this.
Well,
oh, for sure. Meet up back at the hotel. Should be lit. The good old Motel 6. Oh, and I didn't have it in gear. Check out the cars. Yeah, it does seem like that was cars. Oh, this is Ovia. That's dope. Wow, it doesn't seem like there's that much cars. Yo, what up, guys? Damn. 6 in the morning right now. It looks like it's gonna be pretty hot today. Me and Gabe have to get ready for this track day. Damn, our GC looks sick. Me too.
I know that guy.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So we're gonna get some coffee right now. Then we're gonna go check in. And then, yeah, probably run a couple laps. Man, quick little stop to Starbucks. Oh! sunrise. Alright, made it out here in Bone Willow. It looks like it's a pretty low car count today. So, we're gonna have some fun. Track looks beautiful. You can't really see it though. Got a little picnic area here. Gabe getting the racer strap on. Alright guys, we're all set up. And it's gonna be just track footage from here. Enjoy. Yo, what is up guys? So this video was a little everywhere, and yeah, the Subi actually only made it 2 sessions. I had a misfire instead of 1 and 2, so that video you last saw was my last session drove. As I kept pushing it, it wasn't giving me the power to power through. It's just kept cutting off, and yeah, I had to call it quits pretty much, and did some ride-alongs with Gabe. His car is insanely fast and fun to ride along on, to be honest. I did get to meet up with the YouTuber. His name is Frankie. I'll put his description below. He is a insanely good NC driver, and I hope to learn a lot from that guy. It was really cool meeting you, man. If you're watching this, what's up? Yeah, so updates on the NC Miata. It's currently at the shop right now, and I got a fender bender, so it's getting resprayed. It's been in there for a whole month. It also got a new kit for it that's getting installed and painted in there, so it's gonna look really nice. I put in a black fab roll cage that I can't really discuss the details of installment. It was just that's how they want it. But the next track day is in 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure I should be getting the Miata back this week or next week. I will, once it comes back, though, guys, I promise more content will come out. I have a bunch of stuff I need to install, but I'm not really worried about installing all this stuff like immediately, because more for me is seat time. Like, the more seat time I will have, the more experience I have driving the car. I don't want to just slap on mods and keep slapping on mods and driving the car, you know. Like, I want to get at a good basis with the car and then put in another mod and then put in this mod, you know. So it's kind of just gradually building it. And I really apologize that, you know, I haven't been busting out the NC content like I said. You know, things just happen, and I'm almost done with school as well, so yeah, just a lot of stuff. But I'm just gonna wrap this video up. Yeah, as I just posted a little clip of the last time I went to Bud Willow in my Miata and enjoy that. But yeah, more NC content's coming, more seat time. And yeah, just stay tuned, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, please hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, drop a like. Peace out.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.